Here are two unconventional ways on how to join yarns in crochet. For option 1, on your last stitch, before closing the stitch, like this, here I have done a half double crochet stitch. So instead of closing the stitch like this, we'll leave loops on the hook. We'll take our new yarn and pull through all 3 loops, or whatever number of loops that you have. If you're doing a single crochet or a double crochet, pull through all loops and pull the tail to tighten slightly and crochet as usual. Here I have the excess tail, which I will be crocheting over. And there you go. You've attached new yarn. And once you've completed that stitch, all you got to do is just snip off the excess yarn and you're good to go. For option 2, with whatever yarn we have left, we'll take up a new yarn and work up a knot. Now I'm going to pull it really tightly to make sure that it's secure, and I'm going to snip off the excess yarn. So make sure that it's tight and it will not come off. And then from here, you just work your stitch as usual. And you notice that the knot will be hidden within your stitches, so you can barely see them. You can feel them, but you won't be able to see them. To be fair, I use this method all the time. And there you go. 2 quick options on how to join yarns.